Looking to install a ceiling fan or replace the ceiling fan, I guess your biggest concern is the box above it. You want to make sure a lot of homes were put in, especially older homes, the boxes were put in were meant to hold a light fixture, not a ceiling fan. So if you hang a ceiling fan over time, the box will actually pull out of the ceiling and then your fan falls, and you don't want that to happen. So you want to make sure you have somebody that's licensed and qualified to change out your ceiling fan to make sure what's there will hold the fan that you're putting up. I've taken down many times ceiling fans that were almost falling down already, and people are like, well, that fan's been there for 10 years. Well, yeah, it was ready to fall out of the ceiling. So you want to make sure you have somebody that's qualified to know what they're doing, so when they pull the fan out or the light fixture out, they know what to look for to make sure when you put the new ceiling fan up, it goes up and stays up and it's safe. Attic spaces are, it's kind of funny. Most attic spaces are a decent space, but yes, it can be concerning. Sometimes you have a 2-story house, so your ceiling fan's downstairs, where we can deal with that. We have companies we work with that do drywall repairs. We have to get into doing drywall stuff. I have a company I work with that does drywall repair and gets you back to where you were before you started and get everything done. The biggest concern with installing your own ceiling fan is, do you know what to look for when you're putting the fan up? Does it have the right size box? Does it have the correct box to hang the fan? Do you know where to turn the power off? Do you know how to put the fan together? There's multiple parts of putting together a fan. Over the 25 years, I've put together quite a few fans. But the biggest thing is that the box that's hanging the fan, if you don't know what to look for and you hang on the wrong box, the fan could fall out of the ceiling. So you want to make sure you hang it correctly and it's hung by the right box. And we do free estimates on ceiling fan installations, and we'll come out and give you a price. And if you like it, we can usually get it done the same day.